Hi, my name is Mark Hopkins. I'm the president of ISIS Label, and we're very excited to be at Label Expo again. These are very, very exciting times for ISIS and our product line. We're going to talk today a little bit about a new technology from ISIS called signature printing, and later on we're going to introduce some new product. So first with signature printing, what we've done is we've worked with a large manufacturer in the wine market, so a large wine producer. What is happening with their problems with label printing is the number of bottles of wine they actually produce a year. They have to go out to a large flexo printer and they have to purchase quite an inventory for each of their wines. And as you know, they do this once a year, and once the year is over and the bottling is over, those wine labels are no longer good to them. So we approached them about signature printing, whereas the Flexo label provider is just printing the branded portion of the label. So this is a generic brand that they want to put across all of their wines on all of their labels. And this is their marketing strategy, to have this brand and the bottom alcohol level as a generic piece. So what does this do for them? Well, what it means is that particular customer is only buying 100,000 labels at a time from the Flexo shop, which is giving them best cost per copy. Along comes ISIS with their signature printing, and now we can match the printing of their labels with their production. So what we do is we do an overprint with our attributes, as we call nesting, and we also use variable data, and we're using graphics in our variable data as well. So what we can do is we can print their whole Veritile on this branded label. So what do we come up with? They had an exciting year in the wine making. Their grapes came out amazing, and they wanted a lot of color on their wine bottle. So we made up a label for them, and what you can see is we're using their branding and we're putting on signature data for each of their bottle runs. So they're using this as they need. So what we call this is print on demand. This is our signature printing. On the back of the label, what we're doing is we're doing barcoding, we're doing lot number, and we're doing bottle number for them. So we're adding a variable data portion to that. And we're going to show you how we do that on our printer. This is our signature printing example. We're using the Apex 1290. The Apex 1290 is a toner-based printer. It runs at 9 meters per minute. And because it's toner-based and we do a hot fuse, it's quite robust. So you may not need any finishing equipment. The label comes off, finished. No laminate, goes right onto the bottle. As I said, we're very excited about these times for ISIS Label, and let me show you an example of our new announcement. We're running non-die cut labels off an Apex 1290. This is running at 9 meters per minute. And now what we're going to do is we're going to move that job over to our new family member, the finishing equipment made by ISIS and SMAG. This equipment will do full finishing for label material at up to 20 meters per minute. We do all of the rotary die cutting. We do all of the matrix removal. We do all the slitting, and we re-roll it onto the label for the uptake roller for application. We also have an optional laminate, so we can do gloss laminate, any type of laminating, all in line at 20 meters per minute. So what we have here is we have a complete system, and we can offer this to our customer for well under $90,000. So this is our Edge 850, and keeping in theme with the beverage industry, this particular sample is water bottle labels, and we're printing these on die cut as well. So the Edge 850 is a toner-based printer. It's running at about 7 meters per minute, and again, it is full process color, and again, a robust image that is fused onto the media. So we have two printing presses. We have the Apex 1290 and we have the Edge 850. The Apex 1290 is perfect for those jobs that are in excess of 30,000 meters per month. For our smaller desktop version, we're looking at about 10,000 meters per month for a duty cycle. So if you're one of these customers, we'd really like to come and talk to you. We're really excited about ISIS Label, and we want to see you again next year in Chicago, and we're coming back to Brussels in 2015. Thanks for your time.